When did you start smoking dope? When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay. You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. Wow. You got me with your logic on that one.
Buckle up, guys. Today we're diving straight into a courtroom clash that turns personal in seconds. Before the case even gets rolling, the judge zeroes in on the kid's appearance and attitude. When he says he can already predict the next 5 years of this young man's life, that's not small talk. That's a warning shot. Right away, you can feel this won't be about a traffic ticket. It's about accountability, maturity, and a wake-up call coming fast.
Come on up, Mr. Vick. Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Where's your attorney then? Who's your attorney? Then you're doing it without one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right. I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. How old are you?
Let me see.
All right. I understand you're almost done with school.
Yes, sir.
Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job at Saturday.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
Trying to get a job at the service yard at Holiday Inn at the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for a double parking? And we've already got a double ROA for it? Oh,
So everything.
it's confusing. No, it's not the way I'm used to saying it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay. All right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the baby shop in Logo,
Okay.
and I also looked at Walmart and Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay. All right. You got a driver's license?
No, sir.
Yeah, transportation is going to be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully that's.
Where and when?
Well, I graduate this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm 19.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate.
I'm trying to finish school right now.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I mean, I really didn't think about that, but
When did you start smoking dope?
All right, guys, this is where the tone gets clearer. The kid confirms he doesn't even have an attorney and casually chooses to move forward alone. That decision alone speaks volumes. The judge telling him to get his hair out of his face isn't just about grooming. It's about respect and presence. Court isn't a hangout spot. And the judge is making it clear that if this young man won't take himself seriously, someone else in that room will.
When did you start smoking marijuana?
when?
Yeah.
2 years ago,
Okay. How often you hit it?
that often,
What's that mean?
like barely.
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week.
Speak.
Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right? I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years if you don't do something drastic. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right?
Now we start seeing the bigger issue. The judge asks simple, direct questions about graduation and future plans. And what follows is a stream of maybe and hopefully. There's no structure, no urgency, no roadmap. It's not defiance, it's drift. You can almost feel the judge realizing this isn't just a legal problem. It's a direction problem. The silence between answers says more than the words themselves. This is what lost momentum looks like in real time.
If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay. If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car. I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road. I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, Air Force. They're all in one building. And I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not? Why? Because that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
Here's the turning point. The judge shifts gears and asks about marijuana use. And suddenly the courtroom conversation becomes about lifestyle choices. The questions are calm but pointed. Frequency, honesty, accountability. The kid's vague answers only reinforce the perception that he's not fully dialed in. This moment isn't about judging him for smoking. It's about identifying habits that might be clouding ambition. The judge is connecting dots the defendant doesn't even see yet.
Okay, well, if I hit a job, I can pay for it.
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
This is where experience speaks. The judge explains he's seen this pattern before and predicts exactly how the next few years could unfold. Calling him the poster child for Mr. Laidback isn't meant to insult. It's meant to shake him awake. Then comes a military suggestion, a structured alternative to drifting. This isn't punishment. It's perspective. The judge is practically offering a blueprint, but whether the young man hears it or just endures it is another question entirely.
Okay, well, the officer that got fired, well, I did have a plan, but the officer that got fired, he should be able to get something.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC fellow.
Okay, and how did you mean a cop?
Yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and when it happened, I guess he got here to
You mean when this happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll give you that. Okay. How's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
Because I wasn't at a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about $14,000 a year, so I mean,
that ain't even going to cover to it.
Now the dream meets reality. Engineering schools sound impressive, but the judge breaks down the financial math. Working low-wage jobs won't fund a 4-year degree, and blaming a fire job on a cop doesn't solve the larger issue. The judge pulls the focus back to personal responsibility. This moment is tough but necessary. Ambition without planning is fantasy, and the courtroom becomes a classroom as the judge forces him to confront the gap between intention and execution.
And well, I'm also adopted, so, you know, the state would pay for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you again. 30 hours community service, have it done by February 1st. Goodbye.
And just like that, it ends with 30 hours of community service and a quiet but powerful prediction: I'll see you again. That line lingers. It's not a threat. It's an observation built on years of watching similar stories repeat. The judge has done his part. Now the future is in the young man's hands. If you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.